Still counting working days on a calendar by hand? There is a built-in Excel formula that does it instantly and skips weekends automatically. Let me show you. You have a project start date and a deadline, and you need the exact number of working days between them. Counting manually takes forever, and you always lose track of weekends. Here is our spreadsheet. Column A has the start date, column B has the end date. Click the empty cell in column C where you want the working day count to appear. Type the network days formula. The first argument is your start date, the second is your end date. Excel automatically excludes all Saturdays and Sundays from the count. That is it. Press enter and boom! 22 working days instantly. No calendar, no manual counting. Drag the formula down to calculate all your rows in 1 second flat. You just turned 10 minutes of manual calendar counting into a single formula. Most Excel users still do this the slow way. Subscribe. I drop a new time-saving Excel trick every single day.